Hey guys! So I'm going to show you what you're going to do for the weather and climate video. So hopefully you watched the video before on what to do for these pages. So this is where you're going to go to the underground weather and you're going to fill out these according to, sorry, it's the opposite. According up here it says, so this is the radar map. So that's where you'll draw the green for rain and blue for snow. This is the fronts, so that's where you're going to draw like the red and the blue triangles that we have going on, and the purple. You're going to draw the fronts. Down here is where you're going to do the temperatures. Remember, 10 temperatures for 10 different states. And you're going to do those same 10 states for all 6 observations. And then over here is the wind, so you're going to draw the arrows. The wind is going on those. Down here at the bottom, okay, this is just some patterns and observations you're going to record. Over here, you don't need to fill this part out. That can be blank. And then right here, you're going to make kind of some predictions. So what do you think the weather map will look like tomorrow when you look at these different things? So that part, and then this is the city that you choose. So right here is where you're going to put what city you want, and you're going to be the same city for all 6 days. So this is, remember, I think I did Iowa. And then here's where you're going to write down the observations from the different maps, patterns, pattern connections. That's where you would notice, oh, I noticed when it was a red front that the days after that, the temperature increased or the temperature decreased. Or I noticed that on the radar where I had fronts, that's where I had precipitation or I didn't have precipitation. Just find patterns and different connections. Here you're going to predict the weather. So what do you think the weather is going to be for the next day? All right, in your packet after this page, you have a page that looks like this. You're going to cut this page out of your packet. So you can see I cut it out. I took it out of my packet, and then I'm going to cut along just this dashed line. Now I'm going to put glue on just this part where all the glue bottles are, and then I'm going to glue that on the back of this where it's just plain white. So this is the back side of episode 2, What Causes Weather. On the back side of that, glue this little packet. Then you're going to watch the video that's on Canvas about weather and climate. And I want you to fill out underneath these flaps, write down what is weather and then what is climate, and fill out that information there. All right, we'll see you guys next week.